In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Clarity. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into Clarity and be ready to start a new project so you can analyze user behavior on your site with heat maps, session recordings, and more. Clarity is a free, privacy-focused analytics tool from Microsoft, and it's quick to get started. First, open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works fine. In the address bar or the search box, type Microsoft Clarity. You can also go directly by entering Clarity, Microsoft.com, if you want to skip search results. If you're searching, take a second to scan the results and make sure you're heading to the official site. Next, click the correct link to the official Clarity website. Look for the clarity.microsoft.com address and the secure padlock icon in the browser bar. Avoid ads or lookalike domains that might appear above the real result. Once you land on the home page, you should see clear calls to sign in or get started, along with information about features like heat maps and session recordings. This confirms you're in the right place. Now, it's time to sign in. Click Sign In or Get Started. Use your Microsoft account to continue. If your organization uses single sign-on, you can follow that flow as well. Complete any two-factor authentication prompts for security and accept the terms if you're signing in for the first time. Be patient for a moment while Clarity sets up your account. If you run into a loop or error, refreshing the page or trying a private browsing window can help. Once you're logged in, you can start creating your new project. Look for a button labeled New Project or something similar on the dashboard. Give your project a clear, memorable name so you and your team can recognize it later. Enter your website's URL carefully, including the correct protocol, like HTTPS. If your site spans subdomains, decide whether to track them in one project or create separate ones for granular reporting. Select the category or industry that best describes your site, and choose the most relevant time zone so your reports line up with your working hours. Review your settings, then confirm to create the project. You'll land on your project's overview, where Clarity provides guidance on the next steps. That's it. You've opened your browser, found the official Microsoft Clarity site, signed in securely, and created a new project. You're now ready to continue setup and start learning from real user behavior with clarity and confidence.